Welcome back to our video production series. Today, we will show you how to use FlexClip's AI Face Swap tool. On the front page, hover on the AI option and click to open the AI Face Swap page. Log in with your FlexClip account first. Then, upload your original photo and the other face photo. You can also use the sample images. Click Generate. A few seconds later, you'll get a photo with a new face. Hover on this photo. You can click and hold on the Compare button to check the difference between these two photos. Or click to download this creation directly. Click this photo, and you can download it, use it to make a video, or share it on Facebook, Twitter, and Tumblr. Copy the link, and you can send it to anyone or anywhere. Back to the creation page, click History. Here, you can check all creation history and download or delete them freely. That's all for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more video production tips in our series.